How to create a quick grid of shapes in Affinity Photo. Go to the shape tools. I'm going to use a diamond, but it could be any of the others. Create a shape. What you need to do, hold down the mouse, don't release. Press the right arrow key and that will increase the number of shapes across. Go to the down and that will increase it downwards. If you want to increase the spacing, hold down the right arrow key and you'll see the space, the gap will increase. Also do the same with the down. You'll see again, you've got a gap there. Now if you want to decrease the number, go to the left key and you can remove. Also hold down the left arrow key and it will decrease the space. So you can make them go like that. And you can do the same with the up arrow key and that can remove. And also again, hold down the up arrow key and you can see the spacing will decrease as well. Once you've released, go to the midpoint and then change that. And that will change the shape. All the shapes will change. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please put in the comments below. Thank you much.